On this note, we begin our post-tea session.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you all for the induction ceremony 2012-2013. I would now like to call on stage our distinguished guest for the session.
Mr. Rohit Lalwani, founder iCoach.
Mr. Vijay Vaidande. Our second guest would be joining us shortly.
Mr. Raju Varghese will be joining us shortly.
Our first guest has completed his Masters in Business Administration from Symbiosis Institute of International Business.
He has done live projects for Tata Honeywell and Nestle India Limited. He was the unit head project sales of Asian Paints Limited, Karnataka.
He has presented papers on customer loyalty through branding. He has led and participated in various business plan competitions organized by Indian Institute of Technology Mumbai, Indian Institute of Management and many more.
He was the partner of Wonderbath Pune. He has conducted courses for business schools and engineering students for entrepreneurship, developing interpersonal skills and strategy and in net economy. He has conducted numerous number of sessions in top institutes. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Rohit Lalwani.
Good, I see a few students missing here. So, do we want to wait or would we want to start? We'll start? Very good. Let's first wake few people up. Now that you are a part of SCMLD, a great institution, and you've got a lot of respect for Pillai sir, let's hear it aloud, okay? All of you together shouting SCMLD. And let's see how loudly you can do that. At a go of 3?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. No teamwork. Okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can we do it a little more better? Okay, let's give it a best shot. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now that you're all awake and charged up, let's go through the presentation. So, you know, when Pillai sir threw this challenge to me on how to be an entrepreneur and succeed, for students it becomes quite easy to interact with. Maybe you will all undergo a course in entrepreneurship. But it gets very challenging to talk to parents on the same thing. And while I was planning on what I would talk to you, I thought that as we all grow up, we all start talking the language of a specialist. So if I'm a doctor, I'll start talking the way a doctor speaks. If I'm an engineer, I'll start speaking the way an engineer speaks. But the most human way of connecting to any individual here is speaking in the language of a kid. And that's when I said that if I can convince a small kid to understand what I'm going to talk about, I think every individual here can understand what we are going to probably discuss. Remember the two operative points in this presentation being entrepreneur and success. So let's talk about success first. So this is a question to everyone here, and I would especially like the parents also to participate into this. I'm sure all of you are very successful in life. Your children are here who would be undergoing an MBA session here. So what kind of people today become successful people? Visionary.
Those who have strong determination to do it.
Strong determination to do it, okay?
Who believe in themselves. Willpower.
Willpower, who believe in themselves.
Hard work.
Hardworking.
Commitment.
Commitment. Optimism. Dreamer.
Performance.
Performers. Parents. successful parents here, what kind of people become successful today?
Having mission,
Pardon?
having kind of mission.
Having a mission, goals,
Who are passionate about their work.
passionate about their work. Anything else? Who are aware with everything.
True determination.
True determination.
Strong ethics and values.
Strong ethics and values.
Who take initiative. Who take initiative.
Who take initiative. Being responsible.
Adaptability.
Adaptability.
Straightforward.
Straightforward. Taking risk. So यानी डिक्शनरी में जितने भी सक्सेस के सिनोनिम्स हो गए सब गोट दिए यहाँ पर, ठीक है? So I think we more or less discussed most of the synonyms that you would associate with the word success. I have a different point of view on this. I think बेवकूफ लोग जो होते हैं वो सक्सेसफुल बनते हैं. People who are fools, गधे जिन्हें हम कहते हैं वो सक्सेसफुल बनते हैं. In fact, apparently these set of people are, and in just about 10 minutes you would discover that how true all this is. In fact, fools या बेवकूफ लोग तो इतने इंस्पायर करते हैं कि एक मूवी भी बन गई उसके ऊपर जो सुपर डुपर हिट भी हो गई. So you had 3 idiots, okay, who are talking about being a fool. Why being a fool? Why is being fool related to success? Let's look at this from a jo hushyar, intelligent, logical individual's point of view. Why do we say, what he has an opinion about a fool? If you look at these fools, बेवकूफ इंसान को मिलोगे, he's an impractical dreamer. They'll think of things like, चलो एक कार बनाते हैं जो 1.25 लाख रुपए की हो. चलो एक ऐसा फोन कनेक्शन बनाएंगे, मोबाइल कनेक्शन बनाएंगे जो पोस्ट कार्ड के प्राइस पर चलता हो. और जो हमारे फूल महाशय यहाँ पर पिक्चर में हैं, he says कि यार एक ऐसा बटन बनाऊंगा जो दुनिया चेंज कर देगा. All the pollution, all the bad things that humans have caused on the earth, let's try to change this. And what he's trying to think, I'll try to make a greener city, a greener earth, so on and so forth. बेवकूफ है यार. I mean, is it possible? It's an impractical dream. I mean, if there was a logical individual who would say, क्या time waste कर रहा है यार? If you come across this fool, he's lost in his now. कहाँ जा रहा है, कल क्या करने वाला है, what is he going to do in life? Absolutely no clue. So you come across this breed of people, क्या फ्यूचर का क्या प्लानिंग है नहीं पता यार, देखते हैं जैसे होगा देखा जाएगा. Whenever you come across this fool, he would come up with these things. When the logical individual sees this fool, he'll see that this guy doesn't care about the permission or direction. चलते जा रहा है. To a fool you say, एग्जाम पास करना है तो बेटा 10 घंटा पढ़ ले. 2 घंटा पढ़ेगा, 10 घंटा कभी नहीं पढ़ेगा, 15 घंटा पढ़ेगा, but 10 घंटे नहीं पढ़ेगा. So you tell a fool, this is the path to success, he's never going to take that. He's just not going to care about permissions. He's not going to care about directions. He'll just keep on doing things as per his own willingness. A fool leaps before he thinks. कूद जाओ, भिड़ जाओ. In Mumbai language, भिड़ जाओ. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. So this fool is just going to jump off. He's not going to think twice. कि क्या होगा? If I take this jump, I may fall down, I may die, I may land up probably breaking my hand. No, he's just going to leap. He'll ask all sorts of stupid questions. I mean, if there was someone here who would ask a question like, is man a disease? He'll call himself a disease. He would say, यार, क्या इंसान है यार? पागल है. खुद को ही disease कह रहा है. Right? Hopelessly optimistic. You see the man in the picture? बूढ़ा है, लाठी लेके चल रहा है, but he feels he is going to climb that peak. We in fact had a few days back 4 people from Pune who said कि चलो हम भी एक बेवकूफी करते हैं, we'll start climbing Mount Everest. One of them even expired during this expedition. 3 of them completed the entire thing successfully. Hopelessly optimistic. हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे. Logical individual होता है, this is nonsense, nuisance. This really cannot happen. I mean, how can an old man who cannot walk 10 steps without a stick, how is he going to climb the hill? But let's do justice to this Bevko. We've seen it from the eyes of a logical individual. Let's look at this individual from his own perspective. So let's look at the fool from his own perspective and understand कि वो ये सब चीजों के बारे में क्या सोचता है. A fool would say, I'm not going to invest time in helping a fizzy drink company in selling 10,000 bottles more this month. Fool would spend time dreaming absolutely impossible things, absolutely impossible dreams. So if you remember, he was thinking of making an undo button of how we can probably create a good sustainable environment, and then he starts probably putting it down. How about healthy food? How about sustainable habitat? How about efficient mobility? So this dreamer, this impractical dreamer, starts thinking and investing time probably into more important and efficient thing that the world requires today, and not helping fizzy drink companies or probably a McDonald's or some junk food company and how they could probably be more successful in their endeavor, which they've been doing since so many years. The fool, if you look at him closely, in the earlier picture we saw, when the logical individual saw him, he was quite lost in where he was. If you go near to this fool, you'll see that he is enjoying his now. He's absolutely there in the moment, enjoying happily with the creatures around, the beautiful butterflies around, and he's playing mast hai, doing good for himself. You know, there's a beautiful quote that the fool follows. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. And that's why we call it a present. Right? So the fool believes in this. आज का आज देखेंगे, कल जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I'll ensure that today I'm going to give my best shot and do absolutely well. Fool is self-entitled. He's going to create his own path. These are the kind of people who are going to take the road less traveled. And then after some time, people who are logical who would say, "Arey nahi yaar, plain lucky tha. I mean, he just cracked it." But that's not true. If you actually dig in, if you look at their work, you'd see that there's actually a pattern to where these set of people become successful. The language probably a lot of youngsters here understand. Amir Khan, he can absolutely, utilize the power that he has right now by doing probably 5 films a year. Why doesn't he do that? He has created his own path. The way I'm going, whether it is by people, if it is success or not, I don't care. According to me, it is success. And these set of people have a pattern to their success. They're not plain lucky. He takes a leap before he thinks, is what we saw. But there's a low leap threshold. What is a low leap threshold? When he probably, falls down, you would see that it's not as bad. He has learned in the process. He's not overanalyzed it. He's not as busy as a logical individual. No, he is free-headed. He's not jumping with any kind of preconceived notion. करते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. And that is Another factor, why a fool is a fool, why is a fool a success? He does a lot of deep inquiry. Is man a disease? Of course we are all a disease. The earth was not supposed to be the way it is today. It was supposed to be far more pristine. But what do we listen every other day? Every few days we would come across situations where you would see that there's a tsunami occurring somewhere, there's an earthquake occurring somewhere, so on and so forth. Definitely we are a disease. A fool was actually right in his thought process. Slowly and steadily what happens is this fool, this idiot, starts becoming generative. So a lot of logical people start saying, हाँ यार, बात तो सही है. This guy is making sense. There is something that he is doing and he has some meat. बात है बंदे में कुछ. But he is not focused on becoming generative. It is the people who make him generative. And fool, apne aap, where he was busy doing his own thing, all of a sudden, logical individuals start making him generative. Everyone starts following them. So everyone starts following Google. Everyone starts following Facebook. Everyone starts following the Tatas. Apne aap hua. They did not have advertised it. In fact, Facebook never advertised for quite a long time since they launched it. No, jo hoga dekha jayega. We are not concerned about whether we are going to make money or not. Let things happen. And after say about 4 years of they launching their product, they said that okay, chalo, abhi advertisement bhi dekh lete hain. They are not concerned about what is going to happen towards the end. And these generative people become infectious. And they become so important, ये बेवकूफ लोग इतने ज़्यादा important हो जाते हैं, then we start saying, अरे, he's a god. He is genius. He is brilliant. He is intelligent. And वो जो बेवकूफ वाला उसका tag होता है, वो जबरदस्ती logical लोग मिटा देते हैं. It is not true. He is still going to be a fool always. Once a fool, always a fool. These are the kind of people who make success today. And now that we've understood one of the operating aspects of how to succeed or what is success, if you want to be a successful individual, if you want to create a success out of you, parents, if you want your kids to make a success in their life, ask them to be a fool. बेटा बेवकूफ बनो, इंटेलिजेंट मत बनो, बेवकूफ बनो. बेवकूफों की तरह सोचो, ज्यादा अच्छा होगा जिंदगी में. That's what is the entrepreneurial world all about. Entrepreneurship क्या है? बेवकूफ लोग हैं. A lot of these people who've got a lot of money, fixed deposit में डाल दो, you'll keep on getting returns. Why do business? Why do so much माथा पेची? Because it's not what they're going to get in terms of money that excites them. It's the entire journey. It's that entire process that excites them. So much fun. And that is what the entrepreneurial world is all about. If you're looking at money, JP Morgan would have their doors open to you if you are eligible there. But not the entrepreneurial world. If you come in the entrepreneurial world with the point of view कि बहुत पैसा मिलेगा, not for you. आगे हो सकता है मिले नहीं मिले, बात की बात है. But at this moment, the amount of learning that you're going to have, the amount of love that you're going to have, the amount of fun that you are going to have, I mean, there's absolutely nothing that can be a substitute for it. How do you become an entrepreneur? Don't make a business plan. It's the most stupid way of being an entrepreneur, or the most logical way of being an entrepreneur. Want to be an entrepreneur? Know yourself who you are. If you know who you are, what are your strengths, what is it that you could do, or you can probably make or mold out of your life, your work, your passions, you can be an entrepreneur. You did not make a business plan which gives the finance, marketing, etc. details, though it is necessary, but that's not the first step. The first step is know yourself. Remember, a lot of us want to become entrepreneurs here. How many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Okay, it's about 15 of them. How many parents want their kids to become entrepreneurs? नहीं बेटा कुछ भी कर ले बस फैक्ट्री कहीं जॉब ले ले दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट तो जिंदगी अच्छी हो नहीं हो डज नॉट मैटर आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर वी हैव अ काइंड रिक्वेस्ट टू द पेरेंट्स सो माताजी पिताजी नमस्ते एंड आई हैड द सेम सिचुएशन माय पेरेंट्स नेवर रेज देयर हैंड्स नहीं बेटा एशियन पेंट्स में ही काम करना कभी छोड़ना नहीं एंड द डे आई एक्चुअली पुट माय पेपर्स पेरेंट्स वर लाइक क्या कर रहा है बेवकूफ हो गया absolutely not and there was huge tamasha that took place on the phone and I said nothing doing I'm coming back I have a kind request for all the parents and I'm saying this when I'm a parent as well don't get scared with this as an individual you've had your maximum learning when this happened to you why don't you want your kids to face the same as well. This is the foremost and the basic important thing where you don't